guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute little puff pastry, cheesy, spinachy tree thing. It's really cute, and we're going to make a normal size one, and then we're going to make a few little ones with the offcuts. It's not going to be perfect, but you know what? It's going to be delicious. Merry Christmas, y'all. Alright, so these are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 sheets of puff pastry. I've taken these out of the freezer about 10 minutes ago, and you can see they're just a little bit soft. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese and half a cup of mixture cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Now, depending on how strong your Parmesan cheese is, you may only need 1/3 of a cup, but I like it cheesy, so we're going a full half. 200 grams of frozen spinach that's thawed and squeezed all the water out. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, that depends on how salty your cheese is, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of onion powder, 150 grams of softened cream cheese. I've just left it at room temperature. Do not melt it or put it in the microwave, as this can make it watery and very loose. 1 egg, and then some plain flour for rolling out any pastry. What we're going to do first is, in a bowl, we're going to mix our cheeses, spinach, spices, and cream cheese. And then that's the first step, and it's pretty easy. So then we're going to cut out a large triangle in the middle section of each of the 2 pieces of puff pastry, and then save the offcuts, because you can also make some mini ones as well, which is really cute. So these bits of pastry, we're not throwing that out. No, we're going to be making a couple more. Thank you. Then take your spinach filling and top one of the pieces of puff pastry with the filling. Now, you don't want to overfill it, and you want to leave about 1/2 centimeter between the filling and the end of the pastry. Now, I'm using my fingers. If you don't want to, you don't have to, my loves. It is okay. Then top with the other half of the puff pastry, and then pinch along the sides so that it's closed off. Now, when you close the 2 pieces of pastry off, you may have some air bubbles. Just take a rolling pin and roll over the top. You may need a bit of flour here. Then, with a pizza cutter or a knife, we're going to cut strips, leaving the middle bit intact, kind of like the stem of the tree. And then we are going to take each of these adorable little ones and twist them slightly, just so, because it's pretty. And then once we've done that with the rest of all of our little twigs on the tree, we're going to brush it with egg wash. So for this, I'm just taking about 2 teaspoons of water, putting it with my egg, whisking it together, get a good old-fashioned pastry brush, and brush all over it. Any remaining spinach mixture and puff pastry, you can make adorable little extra tiny Christmas trees or little baubles. And if it's not perfect, you know what, don't worry, because it'll taste perfect. And then we're going to put it in an oven at 180 degrees for between 15 to 20 minutes until it is golden brown and delicious. Alright guys, that's how you make my cheesy, flaky Christmas tree thing. Yeah, it's so cute, and I like it just as is. You can also heat it just before serving. You could have some cheese sauce on the side, I don't know. But I just really want to eat it because I love it. So, let's eat. Now, Flavia loves spinach. At least she loves cheese. So I'm hoping that you'll kind of like it. If you just pull apart one little bit there. Give it a red hot crack.
Give it a go.
Give it a go.
It looks super cute though.
Yeah.
Cheers!
It's more cheesy than spinachy.
Yeah. It's yummy. I like it. A lovely little crunch as well.
You're a crunch. Hey. And yeah, I just had some extra little bit. I made a tiny little baby one. And yeah, I just find this was a really cute recipe to have. It's cute as on the table when you're having a little party. Yeah. And then people just come and tear its limbs off and eat it. I'm not macabre at all. But yeah, Really cute idea, and I hope you use it for Christmas. And yes, in Australia it is currently summer and we are absolutely sweltering here.
We are.
So we're probably gonna stop filming, take this off and then devour the rest of this. At least I will. I'm not so sure about you.
I probably will.
Yes!
Yes!
Oh.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.